Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka United Democratic Party kala kentait halor ke jingkeno bakala syat kala ha ka kunhun MDA ha ka bai David ke jingsya rem ha ka election sya ka yeng dorbar Lok Sabha ka barang shudepshen habaya Krenberg nong pathai kubor ha ka khat sauteri gujle arjar khat kendai hadien balawai ke jingyalang jong ka Central Executive Committee jong ka Party UDP uba bindo lanong ubadai working president ulayatho ba ka jingsya rem jong ukertong bala penyeng da ka party uba Gemino Mautho ha ka election Lok Sabha kamdai na ka jingshet kala jong ka kunhon MDA hnrei ula ongpat ba ka dai namar bagi pait ba kila sya penskuthu bakla halor ka Citizenship Amendment Bill ka bala penlong ya ka UDP bakan ompoi sya thong uba bindo lanong ulai thuru ba ka General Council jong ka party kan long ha ka kharwai terik unailor mentau snem arjar khat khandai.
That what came out in the press, section of the press, that UDP was betrayed by the partners in the last Lok Sabha election. So we discussed that also. And we found that it was certainly not true. We have not been betrayed, and nobody betrayed us. I mean, from the partners. For instance, in the case of Maukurwat, see, we lost by just a few hundred because the HSPDP MLA was there, and he is there still, and they work hard. And in many other constituencies also, our partners, they contributed a lot. All the leaders of the NPP, HSPDP, PDF, and others, they sincerely work for the success of the candidate, Dr. Gemino Mautho. But perhaps the electorate were misled by other issues, which our candidate has already expressed earlier, how the election result came to that end. So as far as that point, that UDP was betrayed by the partners, we have rubbished that as not true. So that is one. The second agenda that we took up is that we are going to have the General Council of the party on the 11th of September. 11th September, General Council of the party. And we always have this in a matter of within 3 years' time. We always have a General Council. September 11th this year. And we are going to have normally the election of the new office bearers of the party and other important issues that we are going to take up. The strengthening of the party, the restructuring of the party, the organization aspects, all that will come up, on that day.